Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will be teaching you guys how to solve this system linear equation using Cramer rule, and I will tell you some short tricks for solving the matrices by using Cramer rule. So we are having the example that 3x 1 plus x2 minus x and 3 is equals to minus 4. This is our equation, three equations that we have been provided. So let's start solving that in Cramer rule. So we first of all start taking matrices. We will make this linear equation in form of matrices. So all x1 will be written in the first column. Here if there is no variable, you will put it 1, and if there is minus x, you will put it minus 1. And for x2, put the values in second column, and for x3 put the values in third column. This is your matrices A, and this will be the constants. You can say it constant, or you can write it anyway, any minus 4 and 1. For Cramer rule, you will just first of all you will need to find out the matrices of a determinant of a matrix A. Let's find the determinant of matrix A. There are two ways, one is manual way or the other one is calculator way. I will teach you the both tricks. First of all, I will teach you the how to solve it manually. So first of all, we will take 3 and we will ignore this row and this column in which the 3 lies, and we will take this matrices. We will say 1 into minus 1, it will be minus 1, and 2 into minus 2, it will be minus 4, and there is minus sign in between them, so it will be 4. Then we will take 2 1, then it will be minus 1. We will ignore this column and this row. Now this will be multiplied with this. 1 into minus 1 will be 1 minus 1, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 will be plus 2, and the minus of formula in between will make it minus 2. Then we will take this minus 1, this will be minus 1, and again we will ignore this row and this column. 2 into 1 into 2, and 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1, and the minus of formula will make it plus. So the answer will be 9 plus 3 minus 3 is equals to 9. So the matrices of A will be 9, and we can solve it by calculator as well. So in calculator you will press mode. Here in mode you will press 6, and you will put the value of matrix A 1. You first of all you will put the order of matrix. It will be 3 by 3 matrix. You will press 1. Now here you will put the value of matrix A, which is 3 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 2 minus 1. Now we have put the values. Press button AC, then go press shift, then press 4. Here you will find determinant on 7. You will press 7, it will be showing that determinant, and determinant of which matrix, you will say of matrix A. When you will press OK, it will be show that it is showing that 9. So we have done it with the manual method, and we have solved that same question in calculator. Now for Cramer rule, we need to find the value of x1, x2 and x3, because we need to find the answer of these three variables. So we will solve it. First of all, for the value of x1, we will replace this row with this constant one. So the determinant will become -4 and 1, and these two columns will remain same, 1 1 and 2, -1 -2 and -1, and we will divide the whole this matrices with the 9. So let's again take the determinant of this one, and determinant we will again solve with the way we have before done. We will take this and ignore this. So I am directly doing it as I have told you before. So -4 -1 plus 4, and it will be -1 as I am considering the second row. So minus is of formula, and again we will ignore this. -4 into 4 plus 2, then again take this -1, and 4 to 8, -8 -1, whole divided by 9. For x value of x1 it will be -12 -6 plus 9 upon 9, as 4 minus 9 -1 3 into 4 -12. You will solve it, it's simple calculation. So it will give us -9 upon 9, and ultimately it will provide x is equals to -1, and it is the value of x1. x1 is equals to -1. Now let's go for the value of x2. For the value of x2 we will replace this column with the column of constant. This again rewrite the matrices 3 1 -1. Now we will replace this column with the constant. It will be -4 -4 and 1, and 1 -1. This is now new determinant of this is the new matrices we have made and divided by 9. Again we will solve this matrices that we have done before for the x and for matrix A. So it will be 3 for this row into 4 plus 2 for this row, minus minus plus into, and it will be -1 into -1. I am doing it fast because it will be time consuming. -1, and we will ignore this one, and -1 by 4 divided by 9, and it will provide us 6 into 3 18 minus 12 plus 3 divided by 9, and the answer will be 9 upon 9 is equals to 1. So the value of x2 will be 1. Now we will solve for the x3. For x3 we will replace the third column of matrices with the constant one. So let's put the previous values of column, and we will replace here the third column with the constant divided by 9. So for 3 it will be 1 plus 8. For 1 it will be -1, 1 minus 4. For -4 it will be -4 upon 2 plus 1 divided by 9. Now for x3 we will have same first two column will be remain same, but the third column will be replaced with the constant, and same is determined divided by the determinant of A. And let's with this row we will start with this variable 3. We will take 3 and we will multiply before, like before. We will take determinant and it will give us 3. 1 plus 8, then we will take 1. The minus of formula will be here, minus 1 into 1 into minus 4, then we will take it to minus 4 here, and 2 plus 1 divided by 9. So x3 will come out to be 9 into 3 27 plus 3 into 3 minus 12 divided by 9, and it will become 18 upon 9, which will ultimately be 2. So the value of x1 is equals to minus 1, x2 is equals to 1, and x3 is equals to 2. So this is the Cramer rule, that how we will solve the determinant, how we will find the value of x1, x2 and x3 using Cramer rule. If you found this video helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.